Hi guys, let me make bakbakba rice. I want to make bakbakba rice this afternoon. That is what is hungry me. So I'm going to be using oil, coconut oil rice. Let's go. I'm going to be adding just a little oil because inside the coconut water, inside the coconut milk, we have oil already. I'm going to be adding my salt. Then you know say sometimes wetin dey hungry you no eat am, e go be like say you dey sick. Na be this my own. So as this thing dey hungry me, so I look like who you see I want to eat it so that I will get well. As e take dey hungry me, I just sit down say wetin I go cook this afternoon. Wetin dey hungry me, I come with this idea of coconut oil rice. We have one Maggi cube. I will be adding my cranberry. I don't want to use meat to cook it. I don't feel like using meat. So this is my coconut water. Guys, I can't wait to eat this food though. The way it is hungry me. I can't wait to eat it. We are adding our crayfish, blended crayfish. Okay. So, curry powder. The aroma, guys, the aroma is giving. So let's add small water, and I'm going to cover it, let it cook before I will add my rice. See you guys later. Guys, it's time for us to add our rice. Guys, the aroma of this coconut oil rice is giving, as I said earlier. It's giving. Okay, let's mix it together and cover it and let it cook, and we'll be right back. Let me see if the salt is enough. Perfect. Let's cover it. See you guys later. Guys, our food is ready. Oh my goodness, one of my craving rice this afternoon. Let's have a taste of our delicious rice. I said it. The way it's hungry now, so I take cook am, guys. It tasted so delicious. This is coconut oil rice. Let's go and eat. See you in my next video.